Hey, it's Nerdy Burner from Rooted Intellect. This video is for educational purposes only. These plants were legally grown in Colorado, and Rooted Intellect does not support, endorse, or condone any illegal activity or content. If you're still with me, it's week 12. Our Autoflower garden is just about ready to harvest. And I love that we can share all that here on YouTube. So let's take a look and talk about it. We're doing an 8x4 Spider Farmer tent. 2 G5000 480 watt lights, currently at 80% power. We backed them off a little bit because of the heat. They're in 5-gallon cloth pots of coco coir cut with biochar that we fed the Rooted Intellect nutrient kit. And they're on bloom carousel, so I have 360-degree access to the plants at all times, which has been invaluable throughout this gardening adventure. Now, because we're here on YouTube, let's go take a close-up look at the plants, shall we? So this right here is White Widow. And we had to replant this one. 1 week in, the seedling had a lot of trouble, so I just pulled it and replanted it. It caught up to the cohort, and you can see that top cola where I had to literally tie it down to the top of the carousel to stop it from hitting the lights. Let's take a look underneath it. Unzip this tent a little more here. So, check it out, y'all. This trunk is bigger than a quarter, being fed by a dripper with an off switch right there. You can see the center stalk and all this great node development. Look at all this undergrowth flower as we move our way up here. And then that awesome top cola right there. If that cola were straight, it'd be probably as big as my forearm right now. Next up, we have No Lie. Check this out. So this trunk here is definitely bigger than a quarter at the base. Really great trunk development, really great node development, lots of undergrowth flower. Really light, airy plant. You know, kind of a multiple cola situation there. Not one real clear top cola. It's kind of interesting to watch the morphology. Right next to it, we have Wedding Cake. So I'm going to start at the bottom here. This trunk's about the diameter of a quarter. Really nice, thick stalk. Tons and tons of good undergrowth here. Very frosty. And then take a look at that top cola, y'all. Like, seriously, here's my arm. Just amazing, the amount of growth there. Check out my drip tank. We've got a siphon feed that feeds all the drippers. I'm working on an automated mechanical, no electrical gravity feed system that won't flood. So that's coming for y'all. Got my dehumidifier running all the time right now. And then right here's a bloom carousel with an extra net. I'm going to use this to dry all the plants using a carbon filter. It's one of the cool other applications for a bloom carousel. Alright, coming around here you can see my nutrient kit powered by King Solomon Nutrients. That's what we've been feeding them the entire time to. Just phenomenal results. I'm so glad I partnered with these guys to bring their nutrients to the home garden. Let's take a look at this cookies gelato. So first of all, the trunk, about the size of a quarter, tons and tons of undernode development, and every single one of these branches has just produced really nice biomass growth. I've had to tie down multiple branches along the top of this one because like all of them are just shooting for the lights. Might pull over a pound from this one, we'll see. Right here is Headband. Thickest trunk in the group, man. Look at that monster. Really great stalk development. Tons of undergrowth flower. Really super frosty. And the leaves are starting to turn purple. Super cool morphology to watch. And then finally we have the OG Kush. This trunk's about the size of a quarter. Really great stalk and node development. Again, tons of undergrowth flower here. Really great center cola action. I'm extremely happy with every single one of these autoflower plants. They've been super easy to grow. Seed into 5-gallon pot, some defoliation, keep track of the water and the nutrients, harvest. Really, really simple. Now, I know there's going to be some photo period fans out there who are going to be like, why are you growing autoflowers? You know, and it's because I think autoflowers are awesome. I really do. And if you grow autoflowers and you've been frustrated by the lack of useful information out there, follow my channel because I'm here for y'all. Not to say that the photo periods are bad at all, but that's the subject for a whole nother video, y'all. You got any questions for me, drop them in the comments. Let me know if you like this kind of content, what you're seeing here, and if you want to see something specific, let me know. Let's chat soon, y'all.